Hi everyone, welcome to week 1 of EDU110, Introduction to Early Childhood. My name is Andrea Burnell and I will be your instructor for this course. It is a 6-week accelerated course and I hope you enjoy it. And there is a more robust introduction of myself in the announcements. So we'll begin week 1. All of our weeks will have listings of framing questions, course competencies, and learning materials. If you look under learning materials, you will see that there's always going to be a read, watch, and explore tab in the table of contents. This week, I would like you to read what is early childhood education and issues affecting early childhood, the political and educational trends, as well as watching a video from the Harvard Center for the Developing Child called Brain Hero and Experiences Build Brain Architecture. And then explore, there are some websites for you to look at, including the Harvard Center for the Developing Child. And you are also welcome to read from Developmentally Appropriate Practice in Early Childhood, Serving Children Birth through Age 8. Let's see if I have a copy right here I can show you. I usually have it right on my desk, and of course I'm not pulling it out right this second. But that is a book. The NAEYC DAP book is a book that I recommend all early childhood educators have a copy of, and you can find it on the NAEYC website. So if you don't have a copy and it's something that you're interested in owning, I highly suggest it as a resource for you throughout your career. I also give you some templates that you can use, 2-column notes, and a KWL chart to help you organize yourself as you go through the materials. So for week 1, our discussion is going to be an introduction. So tell us a little bit about why you're taking the class and what your expectations are for the class. And then share a little bit about what you know, what you learned during your introductory exploration of early childhood, looking at all the materials, and what you want to learn during the semester. So that's where that KWL chart comes in as you are reviewing the materials. And add a couple of questions that you can ask of your peers or myself in your response. The expectation is that your initial post be posted by midnight on Thursday, and that your responses to your peers be completed by Saturday at midnight. You should have an initial response to the prompt that includes in-text citations and references in APA format, and your responses to your peers hopefully will be over the course of the week and not all posted on Saturday night, because it's really difficult for people to respond to you if you wait to do all of your posts the last day. So I really encourage you to post early and reply to your classmates, and the expectation is that you'll respond to at least 3 of your classmates for full credit on the discussion. And that'll be the same for every discussion each week. Your assignment this week is going to be that you select one reading or video from the list that's posted in the assignment. So it's the NAEYC website, the Harvard Center for the Developing Child, or ECLIC, which is the Early Childhood Learning and Knowledge Center that's done by HHS, Health and Human Services, where Head Start is out of. And you're going to add a link and a brief summary to the web page of the resource to our shared Padlet board. And you will see in an announcement, I did give you the link to the Padlet. And then check to see if the resource that you have chosen after exploring those places has already been posted. And place comments with the original posting. So you should access and comment in at least 2 of your classmates' posted resources, and make sure you include your name with all of your postings so you can receive credit. The other thing for you to do is take a screenshot of your postings, and you can submit them as an upload with this assignment, and that way I absolutely will not miss trying to find you in the Padlet, because the Padlet can get a little bit crowded. And if you don't know how to use Padlet, there is a link in the assignment about how do I add a post to Padlet. So remember, you're going to be looking through the websites I suggested or another website and find something about a contemporary or critical issue in the field of early childhood, and make sure it's a unique one, not one that somebody else has already posted. So that is our week 1. I hope you enjoyed the Padlet. I will leave the Padlet, if you save the link, I will leave the Padlet up for a really long time. So you'll have access to all of those different topics and summaries of those articles in case you ever need them for another class or for some other work that you're doing. So it is meant to be sort of a compendium resource for you to be able to use to get some of what the hot topics are right now in education. If I can be of any help to you, please don't hesitate to send me an email. And I will typically get back to you within a few hours, always within a day. And I'm here to support you. So let me know if there's anything I can do. And I look forward to learning with all of you. Take care.